Lost
Just
Temple.
wrap her up.
Lost Temple. We're playing on
Go.
Lost Temple. It's the wolf pack. I'm playing as Notch. Duffy over there is playing
I'm
as
playing
Chicken.
as chicken.
Yep.
I see there's an enderman
There's a
in
zombie.
a tree. There's an enderman in a tree. I am. Oh, world needs to load in. I almost go in the hole.
Alright. I'm going after the zombie. Giving
There's
chase.
other people in the call, I think, but they're not saying anything. Someone called us from full server. I think that was Spencer, but
What?
someone's in a tree and the tree needs to load in something.
Can everybody hear me? Can everybody hear
Just
me?
give me a second.
Yeah, Tanner. Tanner's in this call too, right, Tanner? Yep. Willie wants a 31.
Okay. Okay.
I think he's not.
The zombie's behind you. Duffy.
Ah, where? There he is.
Nice.
He's done.
Ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Sorry.
I'm like half
Sorry,
health
sorry,
now.
sorry. This thing is not loading for me. Load in world.
Somebody invite Joe.
They're
Oh,
all in
yeah,
the call.
Joe's
They
gotta get
need
in the
to,
call.
or it should all be.
People are sending me Skype messages.
Hey,
The zone.
hey, take this. I threw a zombie Pokeball. Ah, Jack.
And the zombie's killing you.
Stop sniping me.
What
No.
server? What server is it?
76.
76, yeah.
So what's the thing?
Pretty simple game here. Wolfpack's racking it up. We both
So
have
wait, what is it? Is it
5
S
lives.
Super?
Where's
SB?
Master Crafter?
76.cpga.me. All the letters.
The SC Super
There's a-
Bros.
The
Why
ending
are
is
there
really.
5 new messages?
SCB. What's after SCB?
It's CPGA. That's all the entire thing
Yeah.
is.
Okay.
Then .me.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's going on?
There's a-
Stuff's happening.
There is
There's no
there's an-
SCBGA dot M. Oh, MC.
No,
not
no,
.me.
76.cbga.me.
Okay.
There's no,
Me?
no-
ME?
Okay. So
yes, ME.
yes.
Type in the
ME.
goddamn IP in the chat.
It's like myself.
Okay.
Me like myself.
Me.
Yeah.
ME.
76.cbga. C as in cucumber, V as in vitamin, G as in game, and A as in a pineapple.
Those are
Dot
some
me.
strange references.
M as
Oh,
in
man.
me, and E as in epiphany.
Epiphany?
He just tricked you out, David. Duffy.
What?
Duffy, the zombie just tricked you out.
What zombie?
7-6, right?
Yeah.
What just happened? Well, guys, this has been a wonderful little thing. So yeah. Technical difficulties, I bet.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, we're
I can
suffering
type
some technical
damn IP.
difficulties.
I'm ready to I'm about to punch a baby.
Tanner, don't be a baby about this. Then you might actually touch yourself.
Are you still recording all this?
Tanner, we're in the middle of a game.
Yeah.
God damn. Ball
Ah.
like order. Damn. Close around now. Put up the sand. Boom. Bitch.
Team Wolfpack's having some technical difficulties at the current time.
Everyone's at 5 blocks. Look at the other guy that's out. Where's that enderman? He was on top of the roof somewhere.
Oh, I just saw him fall.
Where is he?
I'm listening
Yeah,
to my
he's
little
dead.
pony music, so here.
Shiny
Uh,
little weapon.
oh, is that him over there? There he is. He's in a tree over there. Oh, God. He's got his ender pearls out. I'm gonna stay up here because he's probably trying to escape up here. Oh, he's fine and attacking him.
No, that was my sign.
Oh, okay, nice.
I like how big it was, though, just by chance. Give him
Yeah.
Chase. You know, should I just TP him to me?
Maybe. He's going over there.
Oh,
Alright,
he's
he just
going.
fired his ender pearl. There he is. He's falling. Gonna ambush.
Ambush.
Eating.
Yeah, that's how it's
Yeah.
done. Wolfpack style.
That was pretty good.
Yes. Yes, it was. Kudos to you for that.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
It's gonna be brutal.
Where is he? Tiny back on top, but double jump. Hates me.
Can't wait till I get Wither Skeleton. Then I'll just watch the world burn. Hey, I got milk.
Where is this guy? Boring? This seems like it's been more than 10 minutes. I'm on
No.
the very top.
No, I'm still recording.
There he is, there he is. Ambush from the top! But I failed.
Where is he? Oh, is he inside?
Yeah. Come on.
I don't want to take that jump. I feel like I'm going to die on that jump, and I've got a lot of good stuff on me. I will only jump off the easy bridge.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to get up there so I can hit him off.
Yeah, so am I. But I will only use the easy bridge, because I've got some really good stuff on me.
Where'd he go? Stupid TP and jerk. Where is this guy?
Okay, let's just continue looking around. Aha, I got another slime.
Oh, I saw an ender pearl particles effect. He's somewhere around here. There he is.
Fluffy.
Ah! He's eating another golden apple! Alright, he just fell down into here. Or no, he fell on the outside of this tower, Josh. Get in!
Alright, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Get him away! Can't jump high enough. No, the outside of this tower.
I know.
Where'd he go now?
I hear explosions. Battling.
Oh, there it is. There he is. Ah! Get over here.
Boom.
I just
There
hit him.
it is.
Teleported down here. Oh, he's gone. Where'd he go? You see him?
Nope.
Oh, that was all.
Hello?
Hey, Tam.
And he's back.
Where is he?
Tanner.
Oh, no, the other.
There's no flaw two in this lobby. It's so funny.
Okay. Let's see. Where is this guy?
Oh. I just heard somebody get hurt.
And he probably teleported near you.
Yeah. Ow. 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 Gah.
There he is. He's over there.
Yes, he's right, like, next to me.
What are you guys playing?
No! I just failed on the jump. We were on Treehouse.
Next to me.
I died my first time.
Diddly.
He's up there. He's way up on top of you.
Well, I finally
Wait,
got
Treehouse?
up that.
It says,
Not
0 players.
Treehouse. Not Treehouse. Lost Temple.
Should say
Up on
1
top
dead, 3 alive.
1 dead, 3 alive.
Yeah, that's what it should say, because we wiped out the zombie pretty brutally.
Okay,
I've
I'm
got
up.
so many drops on me, David. The like one thing I'm missing is a bomb and the hammer. Those are like the only 2 things I'm missing.
Things are actually pretty rare. They're really good. Hey, what's this? And the slime egg. Okay, where is this guy?
There he is. I see him.
Where is he?
Oh, I overshot it. Uh oh. He's coming at me.
Where is he? I can't help you if I don't know where he is.
David,
Yeah.
want me to record my footage so you could have it or no?
I don't know. I didn't find
Kill him. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. This is brutal. There we
Okay,
go.
so that's remaining for him. Very dead. Let's see here. What can we do? Oh,
I had my notch apple eaten and everything. He didn't stand a chance there.
I don't know where he is. This guy. He's being screwed. He must be like Nevers or something.
He's back up on the top again.
Hey, what's up, Mom?
Yeah, he is.
Hell no. Hell no. Oh my god, what the hell? It's like he's got like way knocked back or something.
Don't know what he's got,
What the
but
hell is up with this?
does the Ender Pearl thing have to
Alright, and we're back for part 2. That was perfect timing, actually. I died at the exact end of part 1.
Okay, let's see here. Okay. Trying to find a way to double jump scale this.
Yeah.
Oh, so hard to get up.
Well,
Yeah.
If I could get up there, I could like grow up.
I got better at stuff. I wouldn't say that I learned a lot.
Dang.
Yeah. Better than nothing.
yo.
Yeah, I mean, and up on the top. Dang. There he is. Just on the top.
Exactly. So.
There.
Should I TP him? No, no.
Teleported.
Follow the trigger. Get your comfort down.
He died before he could teleport. Okay, then. Let's finish this.
Where's this guy?
Oh,
God.
he just jumped into the... He just jumped to his death and then threw a TP egg up, but... Oh, it did work.
David and
You're just chucking stuff at him. I love it.
Yeah, basically.
Anderson.
Alright. Come on, witch. Let's go, witch. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Right.
Well, David too can play at that game. Is all I'm going to say.
Well, you can't go.
Are you gonna throw a witch up at me then?
I don't know where it is.
Ah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Not really.
Ah! Wow.
God, notch apple!
Ow!
Notch apple success. And
Oh,
now the milk bucket as well.
you gotta leave now.
Why?
Because I was me.
I'm sorry. I just
I will succeed.
Sure.
Oh, wait a minute. I win,
Ah.
David. That's all
What?
I gotta say.
No!
I'm one life up on you. Guess what I get to do?
Ah!
you know, so that you guys
Oh.
have a good day then.
Oh!
And this is how you win it Wolfpack style.
No! Can't do this.
Yes, I can. And I will. Because it's game over.
Ah!
I win.
Please up. Sorry.
Good.
Yay.
Game next done.
Good game, bro. Good game.
What?
Well, that's this.